All right, we have this Lenovo. This one, water damage, keyboard. Some of them are not working apparently. Trackpad is definitely not working, and keyboard is not either. Okay, we'll just need to give them a quote, have a quick inspection on the inside. So I think the factory reset the device, hoping that will fix the problem. That is interesting. How come the both are not working? Which doesn't make sense. Normally only one doesn't work. But knowing liquid goes everywhere, so there's a good chance liquid seeped in places that it shouldn't have. Liquid, where did you go, my friend? I don't see any damage. Trackpad is here. This is really strange, isn't it? Okay. Makes me wonder. Maybe the keyboard and mouse are fine. It's just something to do with Windows. One of the, what do you call it? I2C device issue. Okay. Let's see if we can get into BIOS. So the trackpad, sorry, the keyboard backlight works. Yeah, see? And track, damn it. All right, we'll get a bootable USB of some sort, maybe Windows. Caps lock light works. The keyboard now works. The trackpad probably just disabled. Okay, no option. Okay, probably needs a driver. Skip. Damn it. Shift F10. B. What's that command? Skip. Yeah, the bypass. So Shift F10, click in here, OBE. Keys are pressing by itself. Yeah, it is in the keyboard. Yep. All right, so it's doing random keys, unfortunately. Yeah. Okay. Liquid damage needs a new keyboard. That's the issue with this guy. All right, we'll give them a quote. This was just an inspection. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.